Hello guys, I'm Meet Sony. Welcome back to my channel. If you're looking for latest remote Python jobs, software development internships, then today's video is definitely for you. Today I have two amazing remote opportunities. The first opening is a full-time Python AI engineer role from Careerfit.ai offering up to 10 LPA, and the second opportunity is a Python developer internship from Kisan Udyog offering a stipend between 20 to 25,000 rupees per month. And also there is a pre-placement offer opportunity for top performance. Both opportunities are completely remote, making them excellent choices for freshers and students across India. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now let's get started. Let's begin with the first opportunity. This opening is from Careerfit.ai for the role of Python AI Engineer Autonomous Agents. This is a full-time permanent remote position and the salary ranges between 5 to 10 LPA. The company is accepting applications from candidates with 0 to 5 years of experience, so fresh graduates with strong projects can apply. Now, this is not a regular Python backend role. Careerfit.ai is building enterprise grade agentic AI platforms that help businesses automate complex workflows using intelligent AI agents. These AI systems are designed to perform tasks independently by interacting with APIs, databases, enterprise software, and even other AI agents. As a Python AI engineer, you will help build the company's core AI platform. Your responsibilities include developing new features for the Agentic AI platform, designing autonomous AI architectures, building scalable backend components using Python, improving system performance and scalability, creating reusable frameworks for AI workflows, integrating enterprise APIs and external services, and participating in important architecture and technical design decisions. So, as we see in AI in this opportunity, everyone is talking about AI, but now there's something even bigger, that is agentic AI. Unlike normal AI that only gives answer, agentic AI can actually do tasks for you. It can research, make plans, use tools, and complete work with very little human help. And companies are already starting to use it. That's why experts believe agentic AI could change the way we work in the next few years. But here's the good news, you don't need to be an AI expert, you just need to learn how to use it because the people who know how to work with AI will always have an advantage. So, if you have been hearing terms like AI agents or agentic AI and wondering what they actually mean, now is the perfect time to start learning. The problem is that most AI content online is either too complicated or too basic, and many courses assume you already have a technical background. That's why I would recommend Simplilearn. They offer AI and agentic AI courses designed with top universities and leading tech companies, making learning much more structured. Three things I like about it. First, you get hands on learning with projects and real world examples. Second, many courses are beginner friendly, so anyone can get started. Third, whether you are a student, working professional, or planning a career switch, there's a course for you. So, if you want to learn AI or agentic AI and stay ahead of the curve, check out Simply Learn Agentic AI courses. Just search on Google Simply Learn Agentic AI courses and select a suitable course for you. Coming to the required skills, the company expects strong knowledge of Python, software engineering fundamentals, data structures, algorithms, REST APIs, backend development, debugging, and problem solving. Some additional skills that can strengthen your profile include Fast API, Docker, Kubernetes, Linux, cloud platforms, LangChain, distributed systems, and open source contributions. Don't worry if you don't know every single technology listed here. These are the preferred skills, not mandatory requirements. If your Python fundamentals are strong and you have been learning Gen AI or backend development, this is still an excellent opportunity to apply. Another reason this role stands out is the exposure you will receive. You will work on production grade AI infrastructure, solve real engineering problems, collaborate with experienced AI engineers, and contribute to next generation AI platforms used by industries like banking, manufacturing, financial services, and public sector. If you are interested in building a career in AI, this is definitely one of the best remote opportunities available right now. Now let's move on to the second opportunity, and this one is from Kisan Udyog for the role of Python Developer Intern. This is a 2-month remote work from home internship with a monthly stipend of 20 to 25,000 rupees per month. Along with the stipend, the biggest advantage here is the pre-placement offer. meaning high performing interns may receive a full time job after the internship. During this internship, you will work across the complete software development lifecycle. Your responsibilities include writing clean and maintainable code, developing high performance applications, building front end components using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, working with front end technologies like React, Angular, or jQuery, developing backend features using Python, Node.js, or PHP, and collaborating with team on application design and implementation. The required skills include Python, Django, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, along with a basic understanding of front-end and back-end developer. This internship is open for undergraduate, postgraduate, and engineering students, making it suitable for one looking to gain real industry experience while working remotely. The combination of a good stipend and the possibility of a PPO makes this a very attractive internship for students. So, which opportunity should you choose? If you are looking for a full time software engineering role and want to build a career in AI, Gen AI, or backend engineering, then Careerfit.ai should definitely be on your first choice. And on the other hand, if you are still studying and want to gain practical development, then go for the second one. Before ending this video, here's something important piece of advice. Many students keep applying because they think they don't meet every single skill set mentioned in the job description. But please don't make that mistake. Company usually list their ideal candidate, but they know freshers are still learning. And if you cover most of the skill set in the job description, and if you cover most of important of them, then make sure to apply. And do not think they have mentioned 3 to 4 tech stacks. They pick a candidate based on the project requirements for their company, because in a company they build softwares for other companies which requires other tech stacks too. So according to your tech stack, they will align a project to you. And also I would like to say is that make your profile highlight by adding a LeetCode profile, solve DSA problems on LeetCode, and also optimize your GitHub projects and stay active on LinkedIn. These small improvements make a huge difference during the interviews. If this video helped you discover useful fresher opportunities, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Share it with your friends who are also searching software jobs and internships. And if you want any particular job opportunity update in a particular domain, make sure to comment down so I can bring it in front of you. I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching, guys.